Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this flower. You have to do this one, then these petals and the green petals. It's not difficult to make. As we go along you will see that it's not difficult to make. You can use it for many things. You can use it for an afghan, for a cushion, for many things. I'm going to use it for an afghan. I'm going to make an afghan with it. Hope that you will understand what I will be doing and that you try it. We start by making 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go in the first chain and we close with a slip stitch. Now we start with 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3, and we have to make 4 trebles here in the middle, but with the chains those are 5. 2, 3, the first chain serves as a treble. 3, 4 and 5. Now we turn the work around like this. We go here in the first chain and we do a slip stitch. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to make another 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We turn the work around. Treble or double crochet, depends how you call it. We go here in the first one and we do a slip stitch like this. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to do the same. Another 5 trebles. In all we have to have 6 groups of 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, as I told you, trebles or double crochet, how you call it, depends how you call it. 4 and 5. You turn the work around like this. You go in the first one here and we do a slip stitch. Again 3 chains, and you continue until you have 6 of these here. You have to have 6. As you can see, all 6 are ready. I made the last 3 chains. We go here in the first one at the back and we finish with a slip stitch, and those are the first 6. Now I cut the thread, as you can see. Now I'm going to change color, and I'm going to start here in these chains here, in the first 3 chains here. I'm going to start from there. Put the hook like this, pull up, and I'm going to make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I turn the work around like this. I go here again and I do a single crochet or double crochet, depending how you call it. Then I turn around, I do 2 chains, 1 and 2. I turn the work around. I go here. I pull the stitch over like this. I put out the hook from here, put the chain over here and the stitch, and I pull the stitch like this. Then here in these chains I have to make 10 trebles or double crochet, how you call it. 1, 2, 3. You continue making 10 trebles or double crochet, as I told you, depending how you call it. Then I tell you how to continue. As you can see, the 10 trebles are ready, or double crochet, how you call it. 3 chains. You go here in the first one here and you make a double crochet or single crochet, how you call it. Now here we have to make another 10 trebles. You continue making another 10 trebles. As you can see, the first petal is ready. Now we're going to go here. This is the second one here. We're going to go here. And we're going to make a single crochet. We close it with a single crochet. Now 2 chains. We go here where we have the next 3 chains and we make a single crochet. Another 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You turn the work around. You go here where we made this one. We go here again and we make a double crochet or single crochet depending how you call it. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2. You pull up the stitch like this. You turn the work from here. You put the hook here where I made that single crochet or double crochet, depends how you call it, as I told you. You put the hook here again in the stitch and you pull the stitch out. Now we are going to work here again like we did before. We're going to make 10 trebles here. 1, 2, you continue making 10 trebles like we did in this one, The 10 trebles are ready. Now 3 chains. We go here in the first one, but do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. And again we continue doing another 10 trebles. You continue making 10 trebles. These are ready again. As I told you, now we're going to do the same. This one, we arrive in this one. We go here and we do a single crochet or double crochet. 2 chains. And you repeat. You go here, you make single crochet or double crochet, 10 chains. You repeat what we did here. You continue all around. All the petals are ready, as you can see, and I finished here with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now we're going to start to make the petals that are over here in the middle of these. We start with 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We turn the work around. We go here and we make a single crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we're going to go here in the middle here, and we're going to make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. You turn the work around again in front. Now you're going to make the same 10 trebles here. 1, 2. You continue making 10 trebles. 10 trebles. 10 trebles are ready. 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. You go here and we make a single crochet or double crochet. And again you make another 10 trebles. You continue making another 10 trebles. As you can see, the 10 trebles are ready. Now we put the work like this here in the middle of here. We go in the middle, we put the hook from there to there, and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now 2 chains, 1 and 2. You go here in the middle of here where we have this single crochet and you make another single crochet or double crochet. Another 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You turn the work around. Here where you made the trebles in the same single crochet, you make another single crochet, 2 chains. Now you have to go here where these start here. You go here and you make another single crochet. You turn the work around and again you make 10 trebles, 3 chains, single crochet and another 10 trebles. You continue here like we did here. These are ready too. As you can see, the petal, you go here in the middle, you put the thread like this and you make a single crochet, 2 chains. Again you go here between these two, you go here, 10 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Turn the work around. Here where you made the single crochet or double crochet, another single crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and here where you have this petal here, you make another single crochet or double crochet. You turn the work around, and again you make 10 trebles. You continue doing this until you arrive here. As you can see, now the flower is ready, the petals are all ready. Now we're going to start with the green. Here is where we finished. We finished with a slip stitch here. Now we're going to start with the green. You start by pulling here in the middle. And this time we're going to make 12 chains. Wait. Now we're going to make 12 chains. We're going to start with 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not 10, 12. We turn the work around. We go here in the same place where we started, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. 2 chains, 1 and 2. You go here in this one, in the middle of this one, and we're going to make, you put the hook here, we're going to make a single crochet or double crochet. You turn the work around like this, and here, not this time, not 10 trebles, we have to make 12 trebles. We make 12 trebles. Then we continue like we did here. We do 3 chains. We close them with a slip stitch and another 12 trebles all around here. So you can see this is ready too. Now we go in the next one here. We go here in the middle, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. That is how it comes. Now another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go in the middle here of these two. We go here and we make a single crochet, and again we make 12 trebles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 12 chains, 9 10 11 12. We turn the work around. We go here where we made the single crochet, we make another single crochet or double crochet, 2 chains. Now we go here in the first one that we made, and this one, and we make a single crochet. Again you turn the work around, and again you're going to make 12 trebles, 3 chains, another 12 trebles, and you continue doing like this one. These other 12s are ready. Now we go here in the middle of this one, put the hook from there to there, and we make a single crochet, 2 chains. We go here in the middle of here, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and again you make 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. You turn the work around. You go here, you make a single crochet, another 2 chains. You go here and you make a single crochet. Again you turn the work around, and you continue doing like this. You continue until you have 6 of these. And this is the flower ready, how it comes. These are the petals, the green petals, as I told you, the red petals. This is how it comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make. Hope that you understood what I was doing. As I told you, you can use it for many things. I am using it for an afghan, to make an afghan, but you can use it for many things. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.